Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your audio now. Drag WAV/MP3 into the Assets folder and create an audio subfolder to stay organized. Once imported, select each audio clip and set load type, compression format, and sample rate so performance matches target platform. Make sure to choose streaming for long music and decompress on load for short loops. This reduces memory spikes and prevents stuttering. Also, name clips clearly so you can reference them in code or inspector immediately. Now add an audio source to a persistent game object, for example, a music manager using Don't Destroy on load. Assign your main audio clip, set loop on if music should repeat, and choose 2D versus 3D spatial blend accordingly. Next, create an audio mixer, make a master and music group, and route the audio source output to that music group. Expose the volume parameter from the mixer so you can change levels via script or UI sliders. This setup gives you central control and effects like reverb or low pass. Finally, control playback through code. Keep an audio source reference and call play, stop, or pause. For smooth transitions, crossfade by alternating two audio sources and lerping their mixer group volumes. Make sure to use Audio Mixer. Set float for exposed parameters to avoid direct volume changes on audio sources when using DSP. If audio fails, verify project volume, unmuted audio listener on the main camera. Correct output routing to a mixer group, and that import settings aren't set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.